friends, fall is a season when every leaf is a flower. It is the perfect time to brighten up your windows with some fall color sun catchers. Enjoy the beautiful fall colors as the sun shines through these vibrant colored leaves. I absolutely love the colors of the season. Make fall leaf sun catchers with kids and decorate the windows for the fall. This fall leaf sun catcher craft uses coffee filter, watercolor paint in red, yellow, and orange color, paintbrush and palette. You will need some leaf shape cutout, pencil, paper towel, scissors, and glue, and you will need water too. To make it super easy, we are providing these free fall leaf templates in the description. Grab a few coffee filters, place a leaf cutout, and trace the outline of the leaf. You can double up on the coffee filters and cut all at the same time if you wish. You can cut them out all together. Once you have the leaf shapes ready, I'm using a sheet of paper towel below so that it would avoid all the mess. Now just pour a little of the yellow, red, and orange paint in a palette. Add a little bit of water and mix. Using a paintbrush or any kind of dropper, add a little bit of diluted paint mixture and apply it to the coffee filter. It is so much fun watching the colors spread on the coffee filter. Did you know this is my favorite part of this craft? It may be yours too. Now gently place your leaf to another sheet of paper towel. Let it dry. Repeat the same steps to create more if you want. I'm making a few small sized leaves too. If you don't have watercolor at home, you can also use water-based markers or food color will work too. This is a fun and easy craft. You can paint them real quick. If you want, you can make some only red too. So this is our pile of leaves we made. How pretty they look. You can make veins using a dark brown marker to make it look more original. We also made a tree and branches to make it look like fall tree. Glue the tree on your window and then you can paste your pretty leaves. Hope you like this craft. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.